Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. Now this is a project to rehabilitate some roads in Kingston and also to build bypasses through some of the main towns in the country or in Jamaica. So the government recently did the Major Infrastructure Development Program, which rehabilitated roads such as Marcus Garvey Drive, Mandela Highway, Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road, and this project was very successful. It included drainage work, it included a G program, a lot of other programs. So the MIDP is finished. Very successful program. So everybody is asking for a part 2 to the MIDP. So the government came up with the GIDP, or the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. So the MIDP was financed 85% by the China Exim Bank and 15% by the government of Jamaica. So the GIDP now is, the government is currently looking for financing to undertake this project. So this will be part 2 or the second part to the MIDP. So the government is to pursue opportunities for competitive sources of financing to undertake a proposed third infrastructure development program to significantly improve aspects of Jamaica's transportation network. This project, the GIDP, will be a successor to the MIDP, which is a Major Infrastructure Development Program. Now, the project has not started yet because they're still trying to sort out the finances. However, the project will follow the same framework as the MIDP. Now, the China Harbour Engineering Company was the main contractor for the MIDP because the funds, 85% were coming from the China Exim Bank, so China Harbour Engineering Company was the contractor. Although the financing hasn't been sorted out, we're kind of leaning to the side of China Harbour being the contractor as well, because the China Exim Bank funds a lot of these projects in Jamaica. But no contractor has been decided upon yet, and they're trying to work out the financing. But the scope of the work now, or the framework, or basically the roads to be worked on, have been worked out. So in Kingston now, you have 3 main projects. One is to build a ring road around the city of Kingston. That's the Kingston metropolitan area. Build a ring road. So that means you can drive around Jamaica on a highway quality road. Now, the city of Kingston has 1 million people in it. It's the largest city in Jamaica. So to have a road like that, like they have Montego Bay Perimeter Road that goes around Montego Bay, to have one like that in Kingston will really help with the flow of traffic in the Kingston area. 2, they're going to extend Mandela Highway from where it ends now, or where it was rehabilitated, to all the way to the Old Harbour roundabout. So they are going to rehabilitate. It currently ends where you access the east-west leg of Highway 2000, or just where you turn off to go to Portmore. So it will be rehabilitated from that point all the way down to Old Harbour Road. And Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, so that will definitely help with the flow of traffic into and out of the city of Kingston. And then they're going to do improvements to the Halfway Tree area. Now, Halfway Tree, we are on Malines Road now, and we're driving into the Halfway Tree area. Now, Halfway Tree is a major transportation hub in Jamaica. It's the busiest place in Jamaica. 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. There are so many bus stops, like on the right here. There are so many taxi stops. It's such a busy place that to rehabilitate the road network here will be really good. I mean, it will be a huge project, and it will be worth it at the end of the day. So those are the major projects for Kingston. Now you have other projects, but we're just going through the major ones. Now this project, the GIDP, is also going to build bypasses to a lot of the main towns in Jamaica. So Lucy is going to get a bypass. Now Lucy is the capital of Hanover. It's a very busy town, but the road infrastructure network has not grown as the town has grown. So a bypass will save a lot of time. Now also you have the Northern Coastal Highway going through, that runs all the way from Port Antonio back to Negril. So the Lucy bypass could easily be a part of the highway, connects to both ends, bypassing the town. The Hopewell bypass as well is going to be built. Hopewell is also in Hanover, and it's a very busy town, and so these projects are well needed. They're going to build a bypass in Onoto Bay. They're going to build a bypass in Long Hill or Anchovy bypass, and they're going to build a bypass in Port Maria. So these bypasses will definitely help with the flow of traffic through these towns. For example, Spanish Town has a bypass, so you no longer have to contend with the traffic in Spanish Town. You can easily bypass the road. Maypen has a bypass. Same thing, you don't have to go through the town anymore on your journey. You can use the bypass road. Saves so much time. Old Harbour, they were building a bypass, but that bypass was used as a part of Highway 2000. And some of these roads, these bypasses that they're talking about, will eventually end up being part of highways. For instance, the Anchovy bypass, I'm sure one of the road projects in Montego Bay is going to connect to that bypass. And also, as they try to get the train service back up and running in Jamaica, these bypasses will help, because I don't think they have any train tracks that run into Montego Bay itself. They will have to, I think the tracks run up to Mount Pelion or somewhere on the outskirts, maybe Anchovy. So these bypasses will definitely help. They're also building a bypass through Discovery Bay and Runaway Bay on the north coast, but those bypasses will be a part of the Northern Coastal Highway expansion project. But we'll talk about that project in another video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this project, and also remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day guys.